Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick sketch of a running person, and in this we are going to begin with just please use very light strokes. So one easy way of going about this is straight line right through. So we have a straight line, and approximately, now this will be according to idea, one line here, circle, circle. These are the shoulders. The head will be somewhere here according to the proximity of the shoulders and the torso here. So one oval shape right there, and necessarily rounder at the back or flatter at the front because he's looking this way. And then one circle there, smaller one, two. That is the arm. This is the other arm. And then if you just draw an idea, the chest will be somewhere around here, so you can keep coming down. Abdomen, lower torso, somewhere here. So one leg going, this is the one leg stretching right to the back, and an arc like that, oval right about there, and right from that same circle, other leg here, circle, inward, and an oval. You could line up this oval right with the bottom of the torso there. It will be pretty much accurate. Yeah, but it depends. Sometimes the upper leg is longer in certain people. You could just go like that and then come back like that. As long as you have this form, you're ready to sketch. Now I'm going to go with a pen or a marker from this point on, but I would recommend that you maintain the remainder of the practice with a pencil. But if you are very confident, that is fine. Now this leg could be either or. It could be the right leg or the left leg, but it is customary if you're showing, let's say that this is the left arm. So, like, believe it or not, if we can show a contorted back, we could make that the left arm and that the right arm, and then show his head from the back. But let's not complicate things, so we'll make it simple. That is the right arm, that is the left arm, and this is the right leg and left leg. That is the custom. So opposite arms and legs combining to create the runner's anatomy there. So I'm just going over those lines, and depending on how much I squeeze this leg in, I could have the calf coming down, but I have just decided to squeeze it that much, and I'm going to go like that. So we have one part nailed there, that is the lower torso. We go up, and depending on how bulky, how heavy you wish to show this guy, I mean, it's a runner, let's not put too much bulk there, so just sufficient bulk. But right here is the other leg, or the leg that is in the background. Now here you could do two things. Either you could go straight with the toes, or you could do that just for a more realistic effect. And then you take this, the chest up like that, just to give him a little muscular definition there. Shoulder right around the circles that you have put down, and there's the one arm, there's the other arm, and this right along there, elbow and hand. in the end. Now the hand, usually if it's a runner, it is usually outstretched, so you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and according to how the index finger and the other fingers should be, I made that too long here, as I'm cutting it off right there, and the thumb you're going to put down the fingers. And the thickness of the hand of course will vary according to what you are doing with this guy. If you're showing a standard runner or you're showing another character, for example, when this comes to mind, we have characters like TV and comic characters like Flash performing a run, and they have these poses traditionally. So depending on the purpose, you will give him that bulk or that streamlined body. But right here is the throat coming right in. It could be thinner, could be thicker, and there is the rest of this guy right here, the nose, the mouth, again depending on what you're looking to do. Usually again, so you're showing the back of the hand now this time, and same exercise, you can just go so much and put that down. We got the traditional runners or the sprinting pose. Now if I were to give him, let's say I'm giving him some slacks here, I'm going to give him, let's say, a tank top. Okay, and let's say that he's wearing the sprinters traditional shorts or something, ankles, the ankles, and let's give him those sprinters boots just by minimal effect. You could have different things going here and have soles and whatnot, but the most important aspect of course is the anatomy itself, the position itself. So the obliques twist somewhere that way, the ab structure is here, depending on how much you are showing through. Now if I were to ink this guy, of course, let's say the light source is falling right from above. Depending on how much muscle you wish to show, you're going to go so much at a time, like just use minimal effect there. So I'm just putting in some shadows right where the traditional muscle structure is, right here, right there, and right there. So once again, it will all depend on what purpose you're looking to achieve with this guy. And if you are making this in this pose, you're using this for a character, or you're using it to just draw a traditional runner with this basic anatomy, your sketch will of course vary accordingly. The details will vary accordingly, but the pose will more or less suit anything at all running on 2 feet. So what I'm just doing again is additional exercise. I'm just putting in some inks, assuming the light source is falling right from above, and casting those few tones that I've just put in around the muscle structure and around the sprinter's clothing right there. So there we have it. Quick sketch of a runner. That is the basic. Those are the basics. Please do check out different images. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.